In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to transfer all contacts from your Google account to your iPhone. Saving Google account contacts to your iPhone ensures seamless access to your contacts across devices, making it easier to stay connected without manual data entry. So guys, as you can see, I have over 300 contacts on my Google account. The first option is to save one by one. Simply select any contact. Tap onto these three dots and select on Export. Choose the last option of vCard and click on Export. You will want to tap on Allow. You will then tap on the Save icon at your upper right and then select Contacts. Tap on Save and a specific contact will successfully get saved to your iPhone. Now what if you want to save all contacts on your Google account to your iPhone? The easiest and fastest way is to simply create an iCloud account using the exact Google account that has your saved phone numbers. I already created a video on how to create an iCloud account using an existing Google account. I'll leave the video link in the description. Now let's assume you are signed into your iCloud. Simply head to Settings. You will want to navigate onto the option of Contacts. Scroll down onto the option of Import SIM Contacts. The Gmail account will show up here just like mine. Tap on Gmail. All contacts will get imported from your Gmail account to your iPhone successfully. And if you head to your contacts, the contacts on Gmail will show up. You can now sign out the iCloud account if you want. That's how easy it is to save all Google contacts to your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.